So I'm here at Harv's Air, and I'm working on my IFR training. I'm living on campus in a trailer. Trailer's a little bit grim, but I'm very thankful that they have relatively inexpensive accommodations for students. Flying every day, really attacking the IFR learning, which is great. But Mike Victor uniform needs an oil change. the uh, the AMEs here aren't able to do it. They're just too busy with Harv's own planes. I mean, there's probably a dozen planes here. Everything from light twins to 172s, 150s, 152s. There's some Cetabrias. There's, I don't know, there's stuff on floats. Other twins. There's a lot of planes here. So they weren't able to do it. So the next closest option is Steinbach North Airport, which is just on the other side of the town of Steinbach. It's going to take me 6 minutes from the time I take off to the time I land at the other airport. I'm going to get an AME there to do my oil change. While I'm there, that's also where the grocery stores are. Now, it's a 2-hour walk from here to the grocery stores. It's a 35-minute bike ride, or so Apple Maps says. But the reality is it's on really bad gravel roads. Because I've ridden it a few times. It takes closer to an hour. There are a couple of paved roads, but they're reasonably major highways with a lot of really fast-moving traffic. So, oil change, groceries, 6-minute flight. Come along for the ride. Steinbach South, Foxtrot, Mike Victor uniform, entering runway 36 for northbound departure. Steinbach South.
Steinbach dropping blast right 2 miles to the east of the field, 1,600. We're climbing to 3,500 southeastbound instruments.
Steinbach South, Foxtrot, Mike Victor uniform, off of runway 36, climbing to 1800, en route to Steinbach North. Steinbach North, Mike Victor uniform, Cessna 172, currently 1 mile west of the field, intending to cross midfield to join the mid-right downwind runway 33, full stop, Steinbach North.
Steinbach North, X-ray Yankee Tango is 5 to the east, 2,900 descending to 2,300 double cross for 33. And we got on our system the aircraft crossing midfield.
Steinbach North, Mike Victor Uniform crossing midfield for the mid-right downwind, runway 33, full stop, Steinbach North.
Steinbach South, Foxtrot Juliet Victor, holding short of runway 36. Steinbach South, Foxtrot Juliet Victor, lining up runway 36.
Steinbach North, Mike Victor Uniform established, right downwind, runway 33, full stop, Steinbach North.
We're at your 10 o'clock, about a mile or less in front of you, but we're outside 2300.
No visual yet, Mike Victor Uniform.
Pretty much right on top of you now. We're just passing you. We're going to double cross, so no conflict.
Mike Victor Uniform, base to final runway 33, Steinbach North. I've got the Technum in sight, Steinbach North. Steinbach North, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, clear of 33 on Alpha, Steinbach North.
Steinbach North, X-ray Yankee Tangos, crossing midfield, join right downwind for 33, stop and backtrack. Do you have ADS-B out and in, or just out?
Out and in.
Do you have us on yours as well?
You came up, but I couldn't get a visual on you.
Roger that. Steinbach South, Foxtrot Juliet Victor, airborne runway 36 at 1,600. We'll be exiting the circuit towards south practice area.
Made it to Steinbach North. 5-minute flight from Steinbach South. 5 minutes in the air. I'm going to get fuel here and an oil change. And I am now a member of the Steinbach Flying Club so that I can get fuel. So $25 in the kitty to the Steinbach Flying Club. And I met this gentleman here on the ramp, Ken Peddy. Ken flew Mike Victor Uniform when it was at the Winnipeg Flying Club. So you would have done training in this plane back in the 60s?
Back in the late 60s, yeah. Yeah, around 67, 68, I flew in this airplane with an instructor to get checked out in 172. And then I also did some instruction in it, some instrument instruction and other flying instruction in the airplane to get checked out on it.
And then you went commercial?
Yeah.
And you've flown your entire life?
Yeah.
Now you're back here at the Steinbach Flying Club?
Yeah.
What do you fly now?
I'm just private, but Comanche. a PA 24-250, you know, Comanche. But I flew the last airplane commercially I flew was a Hawker Siddeley 748 for Wasaya Airways in Thunder Bay.
So you've been all over.
Yeah, yeah.
We both had this look on our face when we talked about the original colors of Mike Victor uniform. It was very 60s, and we also talked about the giant hump that was on the back, which was the ADF antenna. Well, it's great to meet you.
Oh, great
and thanks
to meet
for all
you
your
too.
help today.
Great to meet you too. Yeah, really great.
So this has been a bit of a homecoming for Mike Victor uniform. I knew that I would find someone between here or St. Andrews who had flown this plane because it spent the first 10 years of its life out here.
Yeah, that's true. That's great. Yeah, yeah. It was a very good airplane for the flying club. You know, Winnipeg Flying Club when it was there.
There's a gap in the logbooks, but the Winnipeg Flying Club put almost 8,000 hours on
Yeah,
this.
I believe it. Yeah, yeah. This airplane flew a lot with Winnipeg Flying Club. Yeah, yeah.
So now I'm off to get some groceries, and then I'm going to meet up with the AME and get an oil change. Thanks for your help.
Oh, thank you.